Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient color to shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add gradient color. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu. Now I am select the shape option. We can see here many shape. Now I am select the oval shape. Then select the shape and draw the shape to this page. Now we want to add gradient color. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Then select the shape fill option and go to the gradient option. Then go to more gradients. Now I am select the gradient fill and we can see here many gradient stops. You can remove the stops, otherwise add any stops. Select the stops and remove this. Then select the gradient stops and select the color and choose any color. Now I am select another stops and add more another color. Now we can see we add gradient color to shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.